Have you accidentally deleted administrator account on Windows 11? Then you are at the right place, as here is how to recover it. Let's get started. This is the Windows Club. Accidentally deleting the administrator account on Windows 11 can be a daunting experience. It can lock us out. Installing programs, making changes, or managing user accounts becomes impossible without an administrator account. Until we have an administrator account, we cannot do anything. Fortunately, we have some solutions for you. Follow this video to know how to recover your Windows PC when you accidentally delete the administrator account. Let's get started. Method 1. Try using the Microsoft account. If you have accidentally deleted the administrator account and want to access your PC and restore it, you can try using your Microsoft account. On the login screen, see if there is an option to sign in with a Microsoft account. Use the same account you have used to set up the PC. To confirm if the PC is associated with your Microsoft account, open the Microsoft account on a web browser on another device, sign in with the credentials and see if the PC exists in the devices list. If the PC you are having a problem with isn't listed in the devices list, this method won't work. If it is listed, you will find the login options to sign in with the Microsoft account and restore or create a new administrator account. Method 2. Use another administrator account. If you have another administrator account, use it. Press Win+R, type lusrmgr.msc and press enter. Go to Users, right-click and select New User. Create a new account, then add it to the administrators group. Log out and sign in with the new admin account. Method 3. Use the hidden administrator account. You can just use the hidden or built-in administrator account and create a new administrator account. To access the built-in administrator account, you have to boot into safe mode. Restart your PC and interrupt it from booting fully for 3 times. While the PC is restarting, hold the power button to force a restart. Do it 3 times to enter the recovery mode. On the troubleshoot screen, select Advanced Options. Then choose Startup Settings. On the Startup Settings, you can see the option to enable safe mode. Click number 4 on your keyboard. It will boot into Windows safe mode. If the built-in administrator account appears on the login screen, you can log in without a password. Then open the command prompt and enter these commands one after another to create a new user account and make it the administrator account for your PC. You can replace admin in the commands with a name you like. You can also replace the password 123 with a strong one. In modern PCs with Windows 11, the built-in administrator accounts are not accessible even in safe mode. If that is the case for you, first enable the built-in administrator account. To do that, press Win+X on your keyboard and select Terminal as admin. Type this command and press enter. It will enable the hidden administrator account and you can now proceed to create a new administrator account. Method 4. Perform a system restore. Performing a system restore to a restore point when your administrator account was working properly can help you recover it. You have to do it from the Windows Recovery environment. Access the Windows Recovery environment. If you are stuck on the login screen, click on the shutdown button and then choose to restart holding down the Shift key. Once you are in the Windows Recovery environment, select Troubleshoot and go to Advanced Options. Then select System Restore. Select a restore point and proceed to restore your Windows PC if the administrator account was not deleted. Method 5. Reset Windows. If any of the methods shown work for you, you need to reset your PC from Windows Recovery environment. On the troubleshoot screen in Windows Recovery environment, select Reset this PC. Then choose the option to keep your files or remove everything. It will take a few minutes where your PC might go black. Wait for the process to complete and set it up again with a new administrator account. For more details, check out this guide. So that's it. Subscribe to the Windows Club for all your tech solutions related to Windows. Thanks for watching.